Hello, my name is Ruben Nerea. I'm from Ecuador. This presentation is for my English for Beginners 3 class. The days of the week are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. The months of the year are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. My Bible memory verse is: So God created man in his own image. In the image of God created he him. Male and female created he them. Genesis 1:27. Numbers counting by tens: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Numbers counting by hundreds: 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. Adam and Eve, Genesis 2. God had planted a beautiful garden for Adam in a place called Eden. A river flowed through the garden. Adam loved his new home. His job was to name all the animals and care for the garden. Adam loved all the animals, but he could not find a friend that was just right for him. So God created a woman. Adam named her Eve. She was just right for Adam. Adam and Eve loved each other. Together they took care of God's garden. Thanks for you listening my presentation. Goodbye.
Nerea Films.